Welcome to the vlog. We just picked up Callie's friend from the airport and drove to BYU to drop him off at a function that he's going to for a few days. And
I think he found
but
it.
we're not sure where we're supposed to take him. So yeah, we've had an interesting morning so far if you haven't seen my Instagram. So the trash bucket can come in handy for a puke bucket. Shaylee thought she was gonna lose her marbles this morning on the ride, so luckily she didn't. Thank goodness. But yeah, another reason why you need a cereal container is a trash bucket. Can come in handy. Okay, when we are done figuring out where this child needs to be, we are gonna head to Costco. I have my lists. Deric's birthday is tomorrow, the 4th of July, and I have foods that I'm gonna be making and my grocery list. So we'll head and go get our errands done. Is he coming back?
Yeah, he's coming back. Did you find it?
Nope.
Nope.
We might be keeping you, Smith.
I know, I might be so late that like, sorry.
Okay, we found where that poor boy needed to go. It only took
An hour.
So we got him to where he needs to be, and now we're going to one of my favorite places ever, Costco. I ran to a couple of stores. I ran to Costco and to Smith's. Now I'm making my mom's summer macaroni salad. It's so good. Right now I'm boiling up some elbow macaroni. I gotta get my apron on. Okay, here it is, halfway done. Have the elbow macaroni. I have diced onion, white onion, diced green peppers, and celery. My mom doesn't put celery in hers. And a can of tuna fish drained and put in there. And so now I'm just gonna add salt, pepper, okay, and some of this Bon Appetit seasoning. You can use mayo in this if you want. I'm gonna use Miracle Whip because that's what I grew up on. When I make this for Deric's family, I do mayo. So I used half of a green pepper, 2 celery sticks, and almost half of a yellow onion. So, okay, I'm just gonna scoop this up and get it all creamed together and then get it in the fridge until we're ready to eat. Wasn't summer when I was a kid without this salad. I'm gonna get it in the refrigerator now. Grab it. Nice. On my burgers, I love mixing mayo and barbecue sauce together and spreading that over and using that besides like ketchup. Oh, it's so good. Oh, that looks good. Mom always said never play with your dinner.
Welcome to my ASMR video. 1, 2, 3. Is this soothing? This relaxing? Guess what?
What?
I ate my first clam today.
And how did you like your first clam?
It was really sandy.
It was sandy. How was your crab?
The best.
The best? Deric, are you like extremely full like I am? I'm full. It was so good. We pigged out. Dinner was so good. I sat down and I fell asleep, but I gotta make Deric his cake. So time to make a spice cake. Okay, I've come to a dilemma. Betty Crocker spice cake or Duncan Hines? I know Betty Crocker is the bomb. How is Duncan Hines? This is a toss-up. Maybe I'll just let Deric pick.
We had to make it.
Daddy's birthday cake!
We had to make it white.
Yeah.
Nah, I got the CD on.
Yeah. Good night. Okay, let's make this. Can we just say happy birthday to Deric? Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank
Aww. Yes, his birthday is on the 4th of July. What a lucky boy. Parades and fireworks. Not a boring birthday. But we're scarring our children right now.
It's disgusting.
They don't like seeing mommy and daddy kiss.
Y'all are gross. No, I actually want to eat breakfast. Thank you very much. Okay, I know y'all.
Head into breakfast at the Black Bear Diner. We always go to breakfast on Deric's birthday. Tradition. Did he give you a free pie?
Banana cream, baby. Now, aren't you happy that I said happy birthday?
It was quite crowded in there today, and we waited a long time. And Deric's breakfast was super greasy, and the waiter felt bad. And then when he found out it was Deric's birthday, he's like, "You need a pie!" So he got him a free pie. That was so nice. Selfies at Sonic. Birthday selfies. Callie, take a picture of that. No. Oh, ready? You're making me laugh. What's with the fit? What's with this? I'm like I'm constipated. Golly! Deric, smile. Move out! Get out of the frame! Oh my gosh. I don't think I've got a picture of me and Daddy because of you.
I was winning too.
Happy 4th of July, Sonic. Oh my gosh. Is that the good one that we got last time?
That's one of them.
Ooh, it's gonna get the bomb. Wow, look at all the fireworks. We beat out Kevin.
You beat Kevin. Yes, you
Beat
did.
Kevin.
Thank you for the support. Supporting our Hawaiian Civic Club.
Alright, where's the...
And many more.
You want to put the lay on it?
Oh yeah! Happy birthday! So what's your budget consist of? Oh, college, groceries, fireworks. They sang happy birthday to Deric and with their ukuleles. It's a Hawaiian family that runs this booth and they were so cute. And yeah, they sang happy birthday to Deric and they gave us a lei. Look at you. Woo. So yeah, we beat out Kevin. Wasn't our goal, but we beat out Kevin.
Kevin's a sucker.
Everything was buy one, get one free. And
my
so
name's on the board.
family goes in on the fireworks. Our neighborhood is super sad we're not doing it at our place this year.
2 years in a row.
I know, they're not happy about it because they get a nice fireworks show. And some of the neighbors have been so sweet and pitched in money over the years before. It was so nice. Yeah, so our second year in a row not doing it at our house. Sorry guys. But we go big on fireworks for Deric's birthday. Now that they've like cleared that we could do high aerial ones, which still don't understand why Utah let that happen with
Because
fires.
it's awesome.
With fires, but anyway, so we are gonna head back to Deric's mom's house. I'm going to be making some deviled eggs with her Instant Pot and make the broccoli salad. So,
Can I turn the air on now?
yes.
Thank you.
That's a lot of water balloons. I have a feeling a fight's gonna happen. Run, Opa, run! Oh, Boston's coming. Boston! Boston, mommy loves you the mostest, so.
Hey, Remy.
Oh! Who's that? Jonah? That was you? Jonah got me and you wet. Oh, I'm done. That was fun. Get him, Daddy, get him, yeah! He doesn't even faze him! Look at Opa, look at Opa. He's gonna get him. Jonah has the hose! Get him, Aunt Lisa, get him! Oh, he's got the hose again! Jonah! Jonah! Let's bribe them to stop with ice cream.
Their heart is a rock.
We're trying to calm things down with the ice cream.
Surrounded in dry ice. And so
But Uncle Jay went to the dark side. He's a traitor. He joined the kids in getting us.
the rock salt.
Oh, where's it coming from? Under the deck. It's coming from under the deck. It's like tremors. There's no safe place. If you want to be safe, you gotta go into the middle of the house. They're attacking us from all ends, under the deck. I'm soaked. Your ice cream's wet. Your children got the ice cream wet. Oh geez, oh geez. So here is Deric's spice cake. And I made the whipping cream and I used maple syrup to sweeten it. And then we put bananas on it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Look at the valley, just lighting off fireworks, you guys. This is crazy. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for celebrating Deric's birthday with us. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.